We all rely on speedy internet connections at home and work. And there's great news. The latest version of Wi-Fi is going to be faster and more reliable than ever before. It's called Wi-Fi 6, and here's what you need to know about it. This is a new standard that will help devices connect to the internet more efficiently. It'll be about 30% faster than your current Wi-Fi, but it'll also be better at handling more devices connected to it at the same time. And it'll use less power. That's great for business and even better for the planet. The big tech companies are already making routers that support Wi-Fi 6, with others likely to follow by the end of the year. So, do you need to upgrade your business to Wi-Fi 6? It's certainly well worth considering for later this year or early in 2020. It might be a good idea to roll it into your preparation for the 2020 problem. This is where old Microsoft software will no longer be supported from January, and at least half of all businesses will be affected and vulnerable to hackers. Contact us today. We can assess whether your business will be affected in January and how you benefit from an upgrade to Wi-Fi 6.